Hey guys, Jesse here at AC Auto Repair. Another quick thought while I'm at the fuel pumps about check engine lights. So we get customers that come in on a daily basis, seems like that, oh, I went to a parts house and they diagnosed my car. They told me it needed an oxygen sensor, or they told me it needed an ignition coil, or they told me it needed a mass airflow sensor. It needed some expensive part to be able to make this check engine light go away. They'll go ahead and purchase the part. They'll come to the shop and be like, my check engine light's on. The parts house told me it's this part. Can you put this part on? And we'll be like, of course we can put it on. Would you like us to actually test and confirm that's the part that actually needs? Oh no, don't do that. The parts house told me that this is the part that I need. We'll throw that part on. Maybe it's a $150 part, maybe it's a $200 part, whatever the case is. We'll throw it on. This especially happens with oxygen sensors. We'll put the part on, and guess what? The check engine light's still on, and it doesn't solve the problem at all. You know, there's a reason that they offer free diagnosis. We, on the other hand, bring it to a reputable shop. We're going to actually do testing and troubleshooting to figure out exactly what your vehicle needs. Then we'll be able to come to you with a plan of attack on how to address the real problem. Sometimes an O2 sensor is triggered, that code's triggered, and it has nothing at all to do with the O2 sensor. Could be a leaking fuel injector, could be a coil, could be a spark plug. There's all kinds of different things it could be. My thoughts on auto parts houses, they do the diagnostic for free so they can sell you parts that you don't need. Let us do the testing, and we'll actually recommend the parts that your vehicle actually needs, and we'll use reputable parts. I'll see you in the next video.